Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Enjoy English Talks, where every conversation helps you learn. I'm Judy.
Hello, Judy. Hello, everyone. I'm Jake. How are you today, Judy?
I'm wonderful today, thank you. I baked cookies last night, chocolate chip cookies. My whole apartment smelled so good. And you, Jake?
I'm good, but also a little tired.
Oh no, what happened?
I went to a party last weekend, my colleague's birthday party. It was at his house.
Oh, that sounds fun.
It was fun, but also a little scary.
Scary? Why?
Because I didn't know most people. I knew my colleague and maybe 2 other people from work, but there were about 20 people at the party, and I didn't know them.
What did you do?
I stood near the snacks table for about 15 minutes, just eating chips and looking at my phone.
Oh, Jake.
I know. I wanted to talk to people. I wanted to make friends, but I didn't know what to say. I didn't know how to start.
Many people feel this way. It's very common.
Really?
Yes, and that's our topic today.
Making friends?
Yes, today we're talking about how to make friends in English, simple tips and phrases for parties, gatherings, and social situations.
This is perfect. I really need this.
But first, we have a small request.
Yes, if you like our podcast, please click the like button.
Please subscribe to Enjoy English Talks.
And share this episode with your friends and family.
Thank you. It helps us so much.
We love our listeners.
Okay, now let's start. Jake, here's the truth. Making friends isn't hard, but it feels hard.
Yes, it feels very hard, especially when everyone else seems to know each other.
I understand, but most people at a party are actually waiting for someone to talk to them. They want to make friends too. They just don't know how to start.
Really? They're also nervous?
Many of them, yes. So today I'm going to share 5 tips, 5 simple ways to make friends in any social situation. Ready?
Ready.
Okay. Our first tip is called the smile start.
The smile start. What's that?
It's the simplest tip in the world. Before you say anything, just smile. Just smile.
Just smile. That's it?
That's the first step. A smile is like an open door. It tells the other person, I'm friendly. You can talk to me.
But what if they don't smile back?
Most people will smile back. It's natural. When someone smiles at you, you smile at them. It's automatic.
Okay, so I smile first, and then...
Then you say something simple. Hi, I'm Jake. That's all.
Hi, I'm Jake. That's not scary.
It's not. And you can add one more thing, like, I work with Tom, or I'm Tom's friend from work.
Oh, that helps. It explains why I'm there.
Exactly. Let's practice. Pretend I'm a stranger at the party. You don't know me.
Okay, here I go. Hi, I'm Jake. I work with Tom. He invited me.
Hi, Jake. I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you. I'm Tom's neighbor.
Oh, nice to meet you too.
See? Easy. You smiled, you said your name, and you explained the connection. 3 seconds. And now you're having a conversation.
The smile start. I like it. Smile, name, connection.
Perfect. Tip 1, the smile start. Moving on. Our second tip is the question game.
The question game.
Yes. After you introduce yourself, the best thing you can do is ask questions. People love talking about themselves, so let them.
What kind of questions?
Simple ones. You don't need to ask deep, complicated questions. Start with easy things like, how do you know Tom? Or, do you live near here?
Those are easy.
Yes, and then based on their answer, you ask another question. It's like a game. Each answer leads to a new question.
Can you show me?
Sure, I'll be Sarah again. Ask me something.
Okay. Sarah, how do you know Tom?
I'm his neighbor. We live in the same building.
Oh, nice. Do you like the neighborhood?
Yes, I love it. There's a great park nearby. I go running there every morning.
Really? I love running too. Well, I love walking. My dog Max loves running. I just follow him.
That counts.
Okay, I see how it works. Each answer gives me something new to talk about.
Exactly. The key is to listen, really listen to what they say, and then ask about it. Don't just wait for your turn to talk, listen, then ask.
Listen, then ask. Got it.
And here are some great starter questions. What do you do for work? Have you been to one of Tom's parties before? What are you drinking? Is it good?
What are you drinking? That's a good one for a party.
It's perfect for a party, and it's easy to answer. Nobody feels uncomfortable answering that question.
But what if the conversation stops? What if they give a short answer and then it's quiet?
That's okay. You can always ask a follow-up question. If they say, I'm a teacher, you can say, oh, what do you teach? Or do you enjoy it? There's always another question to ask.
Always another question. That takes the pressure off.
And remember, you don't need to be interesting, you need to be interested. Focus on them, not on yourself. That's the secret of the question game.
Be interested, not interesting. I love that.
Tip 2, the question game. Here comes tip number 3, and this one is my favorite.
Tell me.
It's called the Me Too moment.
The Me Too moment.
Yes, when you're talking to someone, listen carefully. Listen for something you have in common, something you both like, something you both do. And when you find it, say, me too, or same here, or oh, I love that too.
Why is that so important?
Because it creates a bond, a connection. When two people find something they share, they immediately feel closer. It's like a bridge between two people.
A bridge. I like that.
Think about it. If someone says, I love Italian food, and you also love Italian food, what happens?
I say, me too. I love pasta.
And suddenly, you're not strangers anymore. You're two people who both love pasta. You have something in common, and you can talk about it for 10 minutes.
Which pasta is your favorite? Have you tried the Italian restaurant on Main Street?
Exactly. The conversation flows naturally because you found common ground. Common ground means something you share, something that's the same for both people. It could be food, music, hobbies, pets, or even a TV show.
So at the party, when Sarah said she goes running in the park, and I said I walk there with Max.
That was a Me Too moment. You both enjoy the park. That's common ground.
I wish I knew this at Tom's party. I was standing by the snacks when a guy said, these chips are really good. And I just said, yeah, and that was it.
Next time, you could say, yeah, they're great. I love chips. Do you like the salsa too? And then you're talking. You're connecting.
The Me Too moment. Find something in common and say it out loud.
Tip 3, the Me Too moment. All right, next tip. Tip 4 is the compliment bridge.
A compliment? Like saying something nice?
Yes, giving a simple, genuine compliment is a great way to start talking. Genuine means real and honest, from your heart.
But what do I compliment?
Keep it simple and safe. You can compliment something they're wearing, their shoes, their jacket, their bag, or something they brought, or something they said.
Can you give me examples?
Of course. I love your sneakers. Where did you get them? That's a cool shirt. Your bag is really nice.
Okay, and that starts a conversation?
Almost always, because after you compliment, you ask a question about it. Where did you get them? Is that from the new store downtown? The compliment opens the door. The question invites them to walk through it.
The compliment opens the door. The question invites them in. That's clever.
Let's practice. Compliment me.
Okay. Judy, I love your earrings. They're so pretty. Where did you get them?
Oh, thank you. My brother gave them to me for my birthday. He's surprisingly good at picking jewelry.
That's sweet. My sister Anna always picks the worst gifts for me. Last year, she gave me socks with cats on them.
That's adorable.
I don't even like cats. Well, maybe a little.
See what happened? You gave a compliment, I answered, you shared a funny story, and now we're laughing together. That's how friendships start.
From a compliment about earrings to laughing about cat socks. Amazing.
Tip 4, the compliment bridge. Say something nice, then ask about it. And finally, our last tip. Tip number 5 is called the next step.
The next step. Sounds important.
It's the most important tip because you can have a wonderful conversation at a party, you can laugh, share stories, find common ground, but if you don't take the next step, you might never see that person again.
What's the next step?
Before you say goodbye, ask to stay in touch, exchange phone numbers or social media, or suggest meeting again.
Isn't that awkward?
Not at all. You can say it very naturally, like, "It was so nice talking to you. Can I get your number? Maybe we can grab coffee sometime."
Maybe we can grab coffee sometime. That's smooth.
Or you can say, "Hey, I had a great time talking with you. Are you on Instagram? Let's connect."
That feels natural, not pushy.
Not pushy at all. And here's the secret. Most people want to exchange numbers. They just don't want to be the first one to ask. So if you ask, they'll say yes.
Really?
Really? Because you had a good conversation. You made them laugh. You found common ground. They like you. They want to talk again.
Okay, let me try. Sarah, it was really great meeting you tonight. Can I get your number? Maybe we can go to that Italian place you mentioned?
Perfect. You connected the invitation to something from your conversation, the Italian restaurant. That shows you were listening, and it gives you a specific plan.
Not just, let's hang out sometime, but a real idea.
Exactly. Let's hang out sometime often means never, but let's try that Italian place on Saturday means something real.
And after the party, should I send a message?
Yes, great question. The next day, send a short message. Something simple like, "Hey Sarah, it was great meeting you last night. Hope you got home safe." That's it. Short and warm.
And that keeps the connection alive.
Yes, many friendships die because nobody sends that first message. Don't let that happen. Be the person who sends it.
I need to go to more parties. I have so much to practice now.
You'll do great, Jake. I know it.
The next step, exchange numbers and make a plan.
Tip 5. The next step. Now I want to talk to our listeners.
Yes, this is for all of you.
Making friends in a new language feels scary, I know. You worry about your grammar, you worry about your accent. You think, what if they don't understand me?
I think that too, every time.
But here's something beautiful. When you try to speak English, even with mistakes, most people don't judge you. They admire you. They think, wow, this person is brave.
I never thought about it that way.
Your accent is not a weakness. It's a story. It says, I come from somewhere interesting and I'm learning something new. That's impressive. That's beautiful.
Your accent tells your story. I love that, Judy.
So don't wait until your English is perfect. Don't wait until you know every word. Go to that party. Say hello. Smile. Ask a question. Find your Me Too moment. Give a compliment. And take the next step.
You don't need perfect English to make a perfect friend.
You really don't. Some of my best friends aren't native English speakers. And you know what makes our friendship special? We learned from each other. We helped each other grow. And it all started with a smile and a simple hello.
A smile and a hello. That's where everything begins.
Okay, let's review.
Yes, let's see what we learned.
Today we talked about how to make friends in English at parties and social situations.
And we learned 5 tips.
Let's go through them together. Jake, can you name all 5?
I'll try. The smile start, the question game, the Me Too moment, the compliment bridge, and the next step.
All 5. That was perfect.
The smile start, smile first, say your name, explain the connection.
Then, the question game. Ask simple questions and really listen.
The Me Too moment, find something you both have in common.
The compliment bridge. Say something nice, then ask about it.
And finally, the next step. Exchange numbers and make a real plan.
Which tip will you try first, Jake?
All of them at the next party. I'm ready.
Well, that's all the time we have for today.
Thank you so much for listening to Enjoy English Talks.
Yes, thank you, everyone.
Please subscribe to Enjoy English Talks
Give this episode a like.
and share it with a friend.
Now, we have a question for you today.
Yes, please leave a comment below.
Tell us, what do you usually say when you meet someone new? Write your answer in English.
We would love to read your answers.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing your English.